what have you been doing when you're not trying to grapple with all the problems? What's the kind of music you're listening to? What are the kind of movies you're watching? And what are you going to sing for us just now?
So sing. I mean, that's like on a throat question. By the way, thank you so much for coming on that day. That video became another video that is very popular of mine. In other words, that I did not know so many people will recognize. Oh, you dance well or whatever. Well, I'd say that...
that's what they told you, that you dance well?
I would say that from a size, body, weight perspective, that I would have not been the person who should have been even attempting that. So people were acknowledging that you are an adventurous dancer.
Yes.
Well, right now I'm not watching movies. I'm more or less on office calls, Zoom calls like we are right now. And I'm listening a lot of music behind the scenes. So I've been discovering music, I'd say.
So what music are you discovering? Tell us more about it.
So I think Head Full of Dream by Coldplay is something that I simply love, the preamble and the way it plays out. And I think that is something which is my even deeper favorite than earlier it was.
Okay, whether it's Coldplay or something else, would you like to hum a few lines for us?
Well, I can play a background of it and then I can play, if you don't mind hearing. Okay. I don't know whether you want to listen to me or not.
No, we want to listen to you. Go for it.
Go for it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I've been singing along with Chris Martin.
Arey, Gao na, you said you're adventurous. Now you're losing your streak of adventure. Go for it.
I can't sing. I'm not going to sing because it is not even making sense. Just looking at your face and playing the music at the back, you're more like humming, and you guys must be laughing right now. I can't even see your faces. So
no, we're not laughing. One second, Ritesh, are you laughing? You're not laughing. We're taking this very seriously, and whether it's in Hindi or in English, we want to hear Vijay. Are you laughing, Ritesh?
बिल्कुल नहीं
बिल्कुल नहीं
I'm laughing at me by seeing my face on this Zoom call, and as for the viewers of India Today, I can tell you guys, there is a screen back on me. This is like a mirror I'm talking to. I don't see everyone, all of us together on a mosaic right now. So I don't even know what reactions everybody else is giving. So believe me, it is a nightmare. I don't know whether it is a film actor or people like you, Rahul, who would do this ever, that you have a mirror in front of you and speaking to that. This is the feeling like that.
Okay, you know what Baiju does really well is that he raps. And some of those raps I don't have you heard, Vijay, Baiju's formula raps?
That is something amazing, because I think I'm a student. I was a class 12 student, which was topper in my school. So I would love that. I think Baiju's rap is something which is original. And I love to.
So you were a topper. Baiju scored 100% in his common entrance test. How much did you get, Ritesh?
I barely passed.
100%.
But you're doing fine. Don't worry. It's no stress. Yes.
No, I never went to university. So for me, I was always reasonably clear that I would never be as good a student as Baiju or Vijay.
Okay, before we come to Ritesh, let's build it up. Let's listen to Baiju's rap. Baiju, go for it.
Yeah, it's like when you talk about rap, I was kind of innovating. How do I hold on to the attention of because if you mention algebra, the first thing which will come to most of the students' mind is boring. So that kind of forced to innovate. Again, in the offline world, when I used to take sessions in large auditoriums and then later stadiums, the only way I could have hold on to the attention of a 13-year-old, 14-year-old was by innovating on content and just to get their attention. And this is not how I used to teach. I kind of used to convert every chapter into a 2-minute rap song. I'll just give you or let's say 10th standard algebra, and I'll just do it for 15 seconds so that the viewers are not getting bored, because at the end of the day, it's still math. Arithmetic progression, which is one of the initial chapters, will sound like this: a plus d, a plus n minus 1, which is interim sum to n by 2 to first step slash n by 3 constant a plus d, a minus d, a plus d, 4 plus d, a minus d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus d. If you add it all, the d's will get you can find out n find out d. Geometry progression, which is the second subtopic, will sound like this: a r, a r square, a r should be interim sum to n a into r ratio n minus 1 r minus 1 a into 1 minus r ratio n 1 minus based on r is nothing but 1 3 constant g plus a by r, 4 equals a by r cube, a by r, a r multiply R's, we can find out and find out R. I can keep on going, but that's just to give you an idea. So I kind of suddenly we used to create a festive atmosphere, because when students expect a class, when they walk in, they'll see like 25,000 students. And this is how I used to kind of open. And slowly but surely, I used to kind of get them through the rigor of math by kind of, people say that chocolate covered broccoli. So that this is more like just to get their attention going. And so they know that, okay, this is not a normal teacher, and more of the attention, just to gain their attention. So the students will sit down and then.
Vijay, did you have a teacher who served you chocolate covered broccoli or rapped to you like this?
No, not at all. I mean, this is totally not the case. But I remember one thing. I remember my mom taught me in this Baiju style that I can remember when I was remembering. I mean, this is class 1 when I would be trying to memorize spellings of months. So my mom taught me spelling of September, like saying Kasipt, Sept, Ember. So that is why rap, or the memory of getting educated with a fun way. But this is the age of Baijus. You can very well see, Rahul.
Interesting. Now Ritesh सोच रहा है अब मैं क्या करूँगा, मैं भी फंसने वाला हूँ. Now what's my way out, or how can I make this fun? Go for it, Ritesh. We know you play good basketball. Let's see whether you can rap or sing.
नहीं राहुल, मुझे लगा कि आप मुझे सही में you were gonna let me off because I was the relatively younger one. But you know, first off, I think
Ritesh, तेरे पास टैलेंट की कमी नहीं है दोस्त. तू अगर स्पीच देगा तो वो स्पीच भी वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ऑफ द कंट्रीज में चली जाएगी. तू स्पीच दे दे, लेकिन दिस इज नॉट द टाइम फॉर स्पीच, सो सम फन एक्टिविटी.
देखिए, Baiju entertained us, and you know, I think I really wish I was able to remember arithmetic progression this way. But like Vijay said, this is the age of Baijus. But I will share something that is probably more apt for these times. I have seen that, in the last few weeks or months, one of the things that I have seen is that we are, as team members, getting closer, as hotel industry getting closer, as startups, we are talking a lot more to each other. तो मुझे लगता है कि in the last couple of weeks, I believe one of the best crisis leaders our country had was स्वर्गीय अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी. तो उनका एक kavita I had written in one of my notepads. I'm trying to pull that out. If I can read for you, is that okay, Rahul?
Yeah, go for it, absolutely.
ठीक है. So it goes as under. बाधाएं आती हैं आए.
In fact, that reminds me, that is something that I can do because I love Hindi poems. और मैं एक सुनाऊंगा थोड़ी देर बाद.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है. First Ritesh, go for it.
Perfect. So बाधाएं आती हैं आए, घिरे प्रलय की घोर घटाएं, पैरों के नीचे अंगारे, सिर पे बरसाएं यदि ज्वालाएं, निज हाथों में हंसते हंसते आग लगाकर जलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा.
Very nice. आग लगाकर जगना होगा. Very nice. That's nice. Vijay, आप इरशाद कीजिए. Go for it.
ओके, सो ये जयशंकर प्रसाद की पोइम है जो मेरे स्कूल में लिखी हुई थी, और एज आई ग्रू अप आई अंडरस्टूड द मीनिंग ऑफ इट एंड आई स्टार्टेड टू एडमायर इवन मोर. जब मैंने फंडिंग मिली थी मेरे को, तो मैंने ये पोइम अपने सोशल नेटवर्क पे भी पोस्ट करी थी. तो मेरी वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेवरेट पोइम है, और वो है परिश्रम करता हूँ अविराम, बनाता क्यारी और कुंज, सींचता द्रग जल से सा आनंद, खिलेगा कभी मल्लिका पुंज, ना कांटों की है कुछ परवाह, सजा रखता हूँ इन्हें सयत्न, कभी तो होगा इनमें फूल, सफल होगा कभी ये प्रयत्न, कभी मधुराका देख इसे करेगी इठलाता मधुहास, अचानक फूल खिल उठेंगे कुंज होगा मलयज आवास. This is basically an acknowledgement of the weight that we who create go through, that someday my hard work will be rewarded, someday I will be able to acknowledge, I mean, the world will be able to acknowledge the hard work that I did. So that kind of point.
You couldn't have found a more powerful way of ending this conversation, that let there be a day when the effort that you are making be acknowledged by the world at large. Vijay Shekhar Sharma, Ritesh Agarwal and Baiju Ravindran, you've been absolutely fantastic.